Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you Independence Day speech in English. This speech is helpful for children who is participating in competition. Good morning, respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents and dear students. I am Renu Jacob. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we have gathered here to celebrate 74th Independence Day. This is really a great national event. This day is gorgeous to each and every Indian citizen. Independence Day holds a lot of significance in the lives of Indians as on this day. We got freedom after a long struggle of thousands of freedom fighters and great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lala Lajpat Rai, Ashfaqullah Khan, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Vallabhbhai Patel, Ram Prasad Bismil, Sukhdev, and many more. They all sacrificed their lives to get independence from the British who ruled the country more than 200 years. Independence Day is celebrated with gaiety and fervor in all schools, colleges, offices, and other places across the country in the remembrance of all our forefathers who drove the nation out of long slavery. People hoist the flag and recite national anthem. Independence Day is also a very important day to keep the spirit of patriotism alive and the same time enjoy the spirit of freedom. It also motivates us to bond with each other irrespective of which religion, caste, community, creed, sex, or culture we belong to. India has shown phenomenal growth since its independence. India has witnessed growth in various fields, including science, technology, agriculture, but there is still a lot to be achieved, a lot to be done. Now it's our turn to continue the legacy of doing something great for our next generation, and we will make it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel.